and welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today we've got our sneak peek video for the Spellbinders July clubs, and this month's clubs have a Christmas in July theme. So I've not been organised enough to be able to show you cards that I've made yet, but you'll see those over the next couple of weeks popping up on my YouTube videos, but I still wanted to show you the products. So here we've got the die of the month, and this time it's a really cute little skate. So you can see all these dies build up to make this really cute skate. I've not added this, but you could add this to kind of hang it up with, or maybe kind of have the laces hanging out. And then you've got loads of things to decorate it with as well. So this cute bow, and then the poinsettia and the foliage to go with it. So really love this for this month. So then this is this month's Stitching Day of the Month club. And this is so pretty. I feel like you could make your own really lovely backgrounds for this, but honestly, just this with some like Christmassy pattern paper in the background is going to look absolutely stunning. So you've got this huge bow that takes up a really good part of your card front. And you can see you can do this stitching here, this stitching across the middle of the bow, this stitching here. But of course, if you don't want to do the stitching pieces, then you can just take them out and have them plain. And you've got these bits so that you can like add a different colour or a different shade into these pieces here. And then we've got this piece that becomes the ribbon along your card. So again, you could have that stitched or not stitched. And you've also got this 4¼ inch piece, so you could use that as kind of the piece to go across behind your bow. You could use it as a decorative piece. You could use it on a 4¼ inch layer for a square card and put it both ways with the bow on. So there's so many options for this, and I'm really excited to create some cards using it. So then the stamp and die of the month for this month is this gorgeous Christmas sentiment set. So you've got Christmas sending, no peeking, merry, delivering joy, Noel, and from our home to yours, that all have the coordinating dies. And then obviously this die can also be used for these, and if you feel it's too long for the sentiment, then you can use it like this and either cut the end off with some scissors or move it along and die cut the other end afterwards. So you can use that for all of those. And then you've got from our home to yours, from Santa, making spirits bright from all of us, believe in the magic, Christmas wishes to you and yours, snowflake kisses, cherish the season, a gift for you, and holiday cheer. So some really lovely sentiments there. And I expect that this set will become a staple for me when I'm creating my Christmas card. So then this month's Glimmer of the Month club is this gorgeous holly set. So you've got the glimmer holly plate, and you've also got the die to cut it out. You've got joy and the coordinating die, and you've got wishing you and the coordinating die. And you also get this aura gold foil, and you can see it's gold, but when it shines in the light, it has all those rainbow colours in it too. And then if you're looking to get a head start on your Christmas cards, you could buy the full caboodle. So that is all of this month's kits, so all the ones I'm going to show you today, plus the stencil of the month, plus the large die of the month, and that is $120 in the US and £120 in the UK. So within that, you not only get all 10 kits for less than the price of the most expensive 5, but you also get a free gift. And this month, the gift is a stencil that you can use to colour in your holly. So that'll be really good for creating really quick and simple Christmas cards then. And I'll link to the caboodle below along with all the separate clubs, so that if you want to purchase that, you can as well. So then this month's wax seal of the month is this gorgeous snowflake, and yours won't come like this. Yours will come in this lovely packaging with the handle, but mine is a sample, so I've just got the end. And all the handles twist on and off anyway, so it's really nice that you can kind of reuse and mix up the handles. And then you also get these pearl white wax beads as well. So then we've got our embossing folders. So this is the 3D embossing folder of the month, and it's this gorgeous kind of pine branches look to it. And then we've got the normal embossing folder of the month, and it's got this beautiful geometric snowflake pattern on it, and that matches back really well to the wax seal of the month. And then finally we've got the Better Press of the Month club, and that's this really fun car with the tree. So you can see we've got the car, the tree, we've got delivering cheer and Merry Christmas, and then we've also got the dies to cut out kind of some snowdrifts like they've got down here and around here. You can cut out the tree, you can cut out the sentiments. You can see the wheels are here as well for the car. And then this has one of those special templates on it as well, so that you can line up the wheels in the right place. You can stamp the car using the template as a guide, and then you can place the wheels within the guide and know that they'll stamp on the right place in the car. So if that sounds confusing, I will have a video on that over the next week or so. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek at the new club. Please do let me know which is your favourite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you today are listed in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.